JCI or JCI Vegan is a group of individuals that organizes events or activities that helps the people and the community.
JCI Vegan is an organization that helps the young people to think outside the box.
JCI Vegan is not just an organization. It is a group of young people wherein we have this one common goal, which is to create positive change.
Hindi lang siya basta organization na kinabibilangan ko po. Para siyang family for me. We build friendships, good friendships. Kasi dun mo nakikita na may mga samahang nabubuo sa JCI Vegan na very unexpected. May mga tao kang makikilala na hindi mo inaasahan na dadating sa buhay mo na i-consider mo as sister, as brother.
It is really possible that you can do more for others. That you are given a chance to help other people. You are given a chance to make other people improve their lives, and you can make other people happier.
Being a JC helped me boost my confidence and helped me grow. It helped me grow kung ano man ako ngayon. The financial aspect, since we are just a small organization, as of the moment, konti yung members natin kasi we've just been revived.
You have to deal with different personalities when you go along through serving. So, and you cannot please everyone. Alam mo yun? So, but then again, sa JCI Vegan or sa group namin sa JCI, we face our problems together. Wala din namang nagfe-face ng problema nila sa mga ginagawa namin alone. But then again, we make it a point that at the end of the day, we meet our goals, we meet our objectives for a certain project. Magkagulo-gulo man yun at the end of the day, pag nakita namin yung output nung or product nung naging project namin or what, still, we would still love to serve again or do it all over again.
Unang-una kasi goal ko talaga dati, before akong sumali sa JCI, nasa puso ko talaga yung pagtulong, yung volunteerism. JCI helped me sa one goal ko, which is to help other people who are in need.
How did JCI help me and change me? Yun nga, by developing myself and becoming better. And JCI has changed me to a point that I have changed my leadership styles because with JCI kasi you would encounter different styles of leadership. Sa ilang taon na sa JCI na ang dami ko nang nakitang styles of leadership, kung ano yung good side nitong ganong style and bad side nitong ganitong style. I try to reapply it on my daily life.